Today, we're diving into the world of Chevy Silverado, one of the most popular and iconic trucks on the market. Whether you're a die-hard Silverado fan or just curious about which models stand out for all the right and wrong reasons, you've come to the right place. We'll be breaking down the best Silverado trucks that deliver big on performance and reliability, as well as the ones that might leave you disappointed. So, buckle up and let's get started. Now, let's talk about the 2003 to 2004 Chevy Silverado. While these trucks have their fans, these bad boys came with a few issues. First up, we've got the notorious knock sensor problems. These sensors are designed to detect engine knocks, but they're prone to failure. When they go bad, you might experience reduced engine power and poor fuel economy. Not exactly what you want in a truck. These trucks are also known for developing cracks in the exhaust manifold, leading to loud ticking noises and potential exhaust leaks. It's not just annoying. It can affect your truck's performance and even pose safety risks. Don't forget about the dirty throttle body issue. Over time, carbon buildup can cause the throttle body to stick, leading to rough idling and stalling. Regular cleaning can help, but it's an extra maintenance task many owners don't expect. Last but not least, we've got lifter issues. Some owners report problems with lifter tick or failure, which can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed promptly. It's another potential costly repair that can sneak up on you. While the Silverado has its strengths, like the quad steer option and their spacious interior, these issues still make the 2003 to 2004 models a bit of a gamble. If you're considering one, make sure you're prepared for these potential problems, or better yet, consider a more reliable alternative. Remember, this is a general overview, and individual experiences may vary. Next up, let's take a look at the 2006 to 2007 Chevy Silverado. While these trucks had a lot going for them, there are some notable problems that any potential buyer should be aware of. First up, we've got active fuel management. This technology was supposed to improve fuel efficiency, but it's become more infamous than famous. Many owners have reported issues with the AFM, including rough idling, engine misfires, and a noticeable drop in power. We also can't ignore the faulty transfer case problems. These trucks are prone to transfer case failures, which can lead to loss of four-wheel drive and even complete transmission breakdowns. A Silverado owner reported that he was cruising down the highway when his truck suddenly lost all power. Turns out the transfer case had just given up the ghost. $2,500 later, he was back out on the road. But that's a scare you'll never forget. Then there's the premature battery failure. For some reason, the 2006 to 2007 Silverados seem to chew through batteries at an alarming rate, which can really add up over time. And let's not forget the transmission issues. These trucks have been known to experience problems like slipping gears or even complete transmission failures. Repairing a transmission can easily cost over $3,000, not to mention the frustration of being without your truck for an extended period. The 2007 to 2008 models were lessons for Chevy. This helped pave the way for later Silverado models to achieve even greater levels of refinement and reliability. But not all later models. 2011 Chevy Silverado. The 2011 Chevy Silverado was a popular full-size pickup, but it wasn't without its fair share of problems. Transmission failures. Many 2011 Silverado owners have experienced premature transmission failures, with some needing a full replacement as early as 60,000 miles. Transmission problems would be delayed engagement, hard shifting, and the transmission slipping. These also had fuel pump failures. The fuel pumps are known to fail prematurely, leaving you stranded. When the fuel pump starts to fail, you'll notice the engine sputtering, sudden loss of power, and difficulty starting the vehicle. Another major problem were its electrical issues. From battery drain to faulty wiring, the 2011 Silverado has reported a number of aggravating electrical gremlins. These can manifest as dashboard lights flickering, accessories malfunctioning, and even complete electrical system failures. While the 2011 Chevy Silverado is generally a reliable workhorse, these are some of the key mechanical issues you'll notice while owning one. Since we know Chevy Silverado for the most part is very reliable, there is only one more year left on the list that is not reliable. Then we'll get into the best years. Have you ever thought about buying a dash cam? Capture every moment in stunning 4K clarity with a wide 170-degree view. Day or night, this camera's got your back with superior night vision. It includes motion detection and parking mode to keep watch 24/7. With easy Wi-Fi sharing and support for up to 256 gigabytes storage, you'll never miss a beat. You can buy it off Amazon and check the reviews out yourself. The link is in the description. Lastly, the 2014 Silverado. Many 2014 owners experienced almost the same problems as the 2011 models. First up, engine issues. Many owners report engine stalling and rough idling, often linked to faulty fuel injectors or hesitations in acceleration. Another common problem is with the transmission. Some drivers have reported hard shifting or slipping, which can be costly to fix if not caught early. Leaking issues are also prevalent, especially with the rear main seal, leading to oil leaks that can cause further engine damage if ignored. And lastly, some owners have faced electrical problems, like dead batteries or sensor malfunctions, which can affect overall vehicle performance. While the 2014 Chevy Silverado is a popular and capable truck, it's important to be aware of these common mechanical issues. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so one day I can get 1,000 subscribers and get paid for these videos. Moving on to the best trucks, Chevy has produced 1998 Chevy Silverado, a simple, tough truck that many owners still swear by. Short and to the point, here's why it's so loved. The 1998 Silverado rides on a body-on-frame chassis with straightforward, well-proven mechanicals. That means fewer finicky electronics and more metal that can be repaired, not replaced. With routine maintenance, these trucks often hit high mileage. Solid axles, robust transmissions, and plentiful replacement parts make long life realistic. Its biggest caveat is its age-related rust, especially around the frame, cab corners, and wheel wells. Also, engine choices were simple and effective. The 4.3-liter V6 or the small block V8s, 5.0-liter/5.7-liter. The V8s deliver strong, low-end torque for towing and hauling. So for work or weekend trailers, they still do the job. Don't expect modern fuel economy or acceleration, but for steady, predictable power, it's hard to beat the old, small block character. One of the Silverado's biggest selling points is maintainability. Basic designs, common parts, and a huge aftermarket mean repairs are usually cheap and DIY friendly. Filters, brakes, water pumps, and transmissions are familiar to any independent shop. Keep up with cooling and rust prevention, and these trucks stay reliable forever. 1999 to 2002, Chevy Silverado. Now these trucks built on GM's GMT 800 platform. These Silverados brought stronger bones, sharper styling, and real comfort, without losing that truck-first attitude. Under the hood were durable Vortec small block V8s. The 5.3-liter was a crowd favorite, and in 2001, GM added the game-changing 6.6-liter Duramax diesel, paired to an Allison Trans for serious towing. Reliable low-end torque, solid towing numbers, and plenty of grunt for trailers and heavy loads. A stiffer frame and updated suspension gave a smoother ride and better handling than the previous generation. They stopped feeling like purely work trucks and started driving more like daily drivers that could still work all week. Dependable engines, heavy-duty capability when you need it, improved comfort for daily use, and rock-solid build. That combo made the 1999 to 2002 Silverado a sweet spot for buyers who wanted both work and lifestyle in one truck. Let's fast forward 10 years, 2012 and 2018. Chevy Silverados. Firstly, the 2012 Chevy Silverado. Known for its robust powertrain options, this model offers a smooth balance of efficiency and performance. The V8 engine provides excellent towing capability, perfect for those heavy loads. But it's not just about power. The 2012 version features a highly durable truck bed, perfect for work or play. Whether hauling equipment or family gear, it's a trusted partner on any journey. Inside, comfort shines through with quality materials and an intuitive layout, ensuring each ride is a pleasant experience, no matter the journey's length. Fast forward to 2018, and Chevy redefines innovation. Introducing modern technologies and refined aesthetics, the 2018 Silverado is nothing short of marvelous. Cutting-edge technology takes center stage with an advanced infotainment system and seamless smartphone integration, keeping drivers connected effortlessly. Safety never takes a back seat. The 2018 model incorporates leading safety features, such as lane keep assist and forward collision alert, paving the way for secure adventures. And behold the design. A bolder, more aerodynamic exterior not only catches the eye but also enhances fuel efficiency, proving that utility and style can indeed coexist. Both remarkable and highly reliable models, the 2012 and 2018 Chevy Silverado, exemplify quality. Each serves its era's driver with unique strengths, making the choice between them not about better or worse, but about what suits your needs best. Whether it's the sturdy classic vibe of 2012 or the innovative charm of 2018. When you thought Chevy couldn't take another step, they did. 2021 Chevy Silverado. Let's start with the looks. The 2021 Silverado boasts a head-turning design with its aggressive stance and sleek LED headlights, making a statement whether you're on the highway or at a job site. Under the hood, the Silverado offers a selection of engines, from the fuel-efficient turbo to the massive 6.2-liter V8 for those who crave power. Equipped with industry-leading towing capabilities, the Silverado is built to handle tough jobs effortlessly. Whether you're carrying heavy equipment or pulling a trailer, this truck delivers power and reliability every time. Inside, the cabin offers a perfect mix of comfort and modern technology, featuring high-quality materials and an easy-to-use infotainment system that integrates smoothly with your smartphone. Safety is also a top priority, with features like lane departure warning and rear cross-traffic alerts designed to protect you and your passengers on all your journeys. Bonus truck, 2026 Chevy Silverado. Let me tell you, this truck is redefining what a pickup can do. If you're a fan of advanced tech, incredible power, and cutting-edge design, you'll definitely like the new 26 Silverado. First off, just look at this beast. The 2026 Silverado sports a bold new grille, sleek LED lighting, and an aerodynamic profile that's as stylish as it is functional. Chevrolet really took the design to the next level, combining rugged toughness with a modern edge. Inside, it's all about comfort and innovation. The new Silverado features a spacious, high-tech cabin with a massive digital touchscreen, state-of-the-art connectivity, and mixed material trim that feels premium. Plus, with the latest driver assist features, you get safety and convenience at your fingertips. And under the hood, the 2026 Silverado offers a range of powertrains, including a next-gen turbocharged engine and an all-electric option, making it one of the most versatile trucks on the road. With even better towing capacity and improved fuel efficiency, it's ready for any challenge, whether work or play. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or heading off-road for adventure, the 2026 Silverado is designed to handle it all effortlessly. Its enhanced suspension and advanced technology give you a smooth, stable ride no matter what terrain you're on. It's clear, Chevy's pushing the boundaries with this one. Thanks for sticking with us to the end of our review on the best and worst Chevy Silverado trucks. Whether you're a Chevy lover or just in the market for a tough, reliable truck, it's clear that the Silverado offers a lot, plus a few pitfalls to watch out for. Remember, the perfect truck really depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more auto reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your favorite Silverado in the comments below, and let us know which one you think is the best or worst. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.